here in the staging lanes, bumped into my friend, the lovely April Rose. I saw this wonderful orange Corvette, and what I loved about this, that it is what it is. It is classic as it came out of the factory. We've just seen recently some huge results for resto Corvettes.
Oh, huge, and they almost pretty much started here at Barrett-Jackson. It was a huge trend to do the resto mods, and they just took off. The prices skyrocketed. But does that almost make these original builds, like they rolled out of the factory, more valuable, perhaps?
So this is a V8, over 250 horsepower or so, but the color, the white wall tires, all of the styling is original. I think it's going to be a wonderful test of what we're seeing across the block today. Original or resto mod. Resto, you know, or classically restored.
That's true. And at home, we want to hear from you on our social at Barrett-Jackson. Add the hashtag Barrett-Jackson. Resto mod versus original. What do you like? Which side are you on?
I wonder what DeBrule likes. Back to you, mate.
Corvette time. In this case, it's a 1957 Corvette. This is a 283 cubic inch, 283 horsepower convertible.
Well, a few cars ago, we saw that 65 Stingray fuel injection car, which was the end of the line. Well, this is the beginning of the line, 1957, for the Rochester fuel injection. And that Pontiac Bonneville we saw a little while ago was also Rochester fuel injected, but similar but different. This is cast aluminum, and we can see it in a second here, the structure on top of this 283. This whole device right up here is the mechanical fuel injection unit. Not to be confused with electronic fuel injection, which is, of course, what we have now, but mechanical injection. This one is a Power Glide car, which is to say 2-speed automatic, and that was very much available with the fuel-injected engine.
1956 very much looks like a 1957. Of course, it changed tremendously in 1958 when they got those dual headlights up front. But very similar, and of course, that first year for the 283, which was so significant.
Kind of cool thing on this, the VIN reads a 100647. So this was the 647th Corvette out of 6,339 made. So it was, you know, made within the first month or two of output.
And remember, at this point, you know, as they're selling these Corvettes, you know, a lot of people try to compare them to the Thunderbird. The Thunderbird had really big numbers. They only sold 6,300 of these back in 1957. So the numbers really didn't compare to what the Thunderbird was selling, especially when they went to the four-seater Thunderbird in 1958, just 1 year later. Well, a good solid $150,000, very respectable number for that Fuelie from 1957. Very nice.